Today I'm standing in the Avenue of Stars, which is probably one of the top touristy destination in Hong Kong. But I'm here on my own and doing my little YouTube video, so there's nobody else who can really take a nice selfie or whatever, especially when I'm seeing a nice tower like this. So how can you capture it? And today I'm going to tell you the solution. Hello! Let's go and ride on a bus together. The person that's inside. All the footage that you have seen so far and also throughout the entire video today will be taken with 1x at 5.7K but cropped and rendered at 1080p. Have a purpose, but to take that leap you must recognize the person that's inside. And don't you think the resolution is actually pretty good? That's the Hong Kong Exhibition Center in Wan Chai. And right now, can you see how choppy the water is? I mean, it's not crazy choppy for Victoria Harbour, but then it is wavy, and of course the boat is moving as you see in the wave below. And it is so stable because it does have the flow state stabilization. And now look over there. But now I don't have to actually change the camera, turn the camera, because everything is captured even behind the camera because it does have lens on both sides. It's almost like just having my own cameraman from different angles.